a massive asteroid could be flying toward Earth. Silent, invisible, faster than any bullet. And if it hits, everything changes. Cities disappear in seconds. Oceans rise into massive walls of water. The sky burns brighter than the sun. But this isn't science fiction. Something like this has already happened before, and it changed life on Earth forever. To understand the danger, we have to look at space. Our solar system looks peaceful. Planets move in stable paths around the sun. But space is not empty. Millions of asteroids drift through the darkness. Most never come near Earth. Some cross our planet's orbit, and a few are enormous. Big enough to destroy cities or even civilizations. And their paths can change. Asteroids can drift through space for millions of years, almost motionless in the dark, until gravity interferes. A close encounter with a giant planet like Jupiter, a tiny gravitational pull, a slight change in direction, but in space, small changes grow huge. The asteroid begins falling inward toward the sun, toward the inner planets, and eventually toward Earth. At first, Earth is just a tiny blue dot. But gravity keeps pulling faster and faster and faster until the asteroid races toward our atmosphere. The air compresses violently. Temperatures skyrocket. The sky becomes brighter than the sun. sun, and then impact. The explosion releases unimaginable energy. Millions of nuclear bombs race across continents. Oceans surge into mega tsunamis. Forests ignite instantly. Bombs worth. Shockwave ash fills the atmosphere. Sunlight struggles to survive. But Earth has seen this before. 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid struck our planet. At that time, dinosaurs ruled the Earth, but the impact changed everything. Entire ecosystems collapsed. Most species disappeared, including the dinosaurs. But life slowly returned. Evolution began again. Eventually leading to us. Today, we watch the skies carefully. Scientists track thousands of asteroids, mapping their paths years in advance. Most pose no danger, but a few require attention. New ideas could protect Earth. A spacecraft could deflect an asteroid, changing its path slightly, just enough to miss our planet. For the first time in history, we might actually stop one. But the universe is chaotic. Collisions built planets and destroyed worlds. Earth survives between these forces, a fragile blue world floating in a violent universe. Most of the time we are safe, but cosmic collisions still happen. Somewhere out there, another asteroid may already be moving, traveling silently through space, unnoticed for millions of years, until one day its path crosses ours. And our planet faces the next test. Because in the universe, collisions are inevitable, but survival is possible if we are prepared. Because somewhere out there, the next cosmic collision may already be on its way.